Welcome back to New Car Info, where we bring you the latest in automotive luxury and innovation. Today, we're diving into a game changer, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it's a mansion on wheels, blending ultimate craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Starting with the exterior, Rolls-Royce has taken its signature design philosophy and adapted it for a larger, more imposing silhouette. The iconic Pantheon grille is still here, now even more commanding, flanked by laser headlights that cut through the night with crystal clarity. The body is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and artistry, featuring seamless aluminum paneling, a sweeping roofline, and retractable side skirts that enhance both aesthetics and efficiency. The motorhome sits on massive, custom-designed 24-inch wheels, ensuring a ride as smooth as any Rolls-Royce sedan. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the sheer opulence. Every inch is wrapped in the finest materials, hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers, and bespoke metal accents. The cabin is divided into distinct luxury zones. The driver's cockpit features a minimalist digital dashboard with a starlit headliner that extends beyond the front seats. Rolls-Royce's signature silent seal technology ensures that road noise is virtually non-existent, creating a serene driving experience. Moving further back, the lounge area is an oasis of comfort. Plush, reclining captain's chairs come with integrated massage and heating functions. A retractable 55-inch OLED TV seamlessly disappears into the handcrafted wood paneling, and a state-of-the-art sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Smart glass windows offer privacy at the touch of a button, adjusting tint levels to match your preference. The kitchen is fully equipped with a marble countertop, induction cooktop, and a built-in champagne chiller. Every drawer and cabinet opens with soft close automation, keeping the interior effortlessly elegant. And yes, Rolls-Royce has even engineered a silent dishwasher and espresso machine to ensure the highest level of convenience. The bedroom suite is pure luxury. A king-sized bed with adaptive suspension guarantees a perfect night's sleep, while the surrounding ambient lighting and suede-lined walls add to the tranquil atmosphere. Hidden storage compartments provide ample space for personal belongings without disrupting the sleek design. The ensuite bathroom is nothing short of spectacular, featuring a rainfall shower with a heated floor, a full-sized vanity, and even a voice-controlled lighting and fragrance system. Under the hood, Rolls-Royce has equipped this masterpiece with a hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbo V12 engine with an advanced electric drive system. This ensures not just power but also near-silent cruising. The all-wheel drive setup and adaptive air suspension make long-distance travel feel effortless, gliding over roads with the brand's signature, magic carpet ride, effect. Performance figures are impressive for a vehicle of this size, with 0 to 60 mph in under 6 seconds and a top speed electronically limited for safety and comfort. Of course, this level of luxury doesn't come cheap. The base price of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at around $2.5 million, with customization options pushing it well beyond that. But for those who demand the pinnacle of travel luxury, there is simply no competition. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. What do you think? Is this the ultimate road trip vehicle? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible car reviews. Thanks for watching New Car Info. See you in the next one.